Man.
Another rule. No more than one pole in the water at a time.
Oh, okay.
Alright, now you know.
Stop. See ya, dude.
Hey, look, we love the fish.
Yeah?
You throw it in, I will hold it. It's your fish. I don't
Alright.
want it.
Yeah.
But
Yeah, that's okay.
you can throw another one out
Yeah.
if you like.
Yeah, that's okay. Lizard fish. See ya. Okay, there's a bunch of trout coming through. Nice trout.
Hell, man, you just catch them all. You can't even keep them.
They're running through. Nice trout. See you, dude. Good. Another little trout. Let's go. Number 3. Oh my god, of course. Okay, so. Nice one.
It's pretty.
Yeah, he's pretty.
Good job.
Thanks. Lizard fish chasing pilchards. Oh, you got it.